Some people don't feel broken, they just feel different. Not better, not worse, just out of place, everywhere. If you've felt this way your whole life, this video isn't random, it found you. People who feel different are often misunderstood. They're called quiet, cold, detached. But psychology suggests something deeper. Many of these people aren't disconnected, they're highly aware. Often, this feeling starts early, very early. You notice things others didn't: tension, mood shifts, unspoken rules. While others lived freely, you learn to observe. When you grow up adapting internally, you stop asking to be understood. You become self-contained, independent, emotionally private, not because you don't feel, but because you feel too much. This is why social situations can feel draining. Not boring, not scary, just exhausting. You're constantly processing energy, tone, intention, meaning. Belonging requires sameness, but people like you are wired for depth, not surface connection. You don't want many connections, you want real ones. Your inner world is rich, complex, private. That's why boredom feels rare, and loneliness feels strange. You're never truly empty inside, but there's a cost. Overthinking, emotional fatigue, feeling unseen, even when surrounded. You don't need fixing, you need recognition. Psychology doesn't see this as a flaw. People like this are often emotionally intelligent, intuitive, deeply perceptive. Your difference is awareness. If you've always felt different, maybe it's because you were never meant to blend in. Some people aren't built for noise, they're built for clarity.